Hello. So you have new flavor? New popsicle?
What's that?
You have the new popsicle right there? The Savagely Sour?
Huh? Oh,
The-
yeah, the sour one.
That one's new?
Yeah.
Oh. Can I have a small cheddar cheese?
What's your name?
I see people.
I see basil. And you don't want it?
No, she.
Actually, no, yeah, just make it small.
You said you could have another.
Okay, anything else?
You have a flaming hot Dorito
Flaming hot Dorito, yeah.
with cheese? With cheese?
Yeah. Jalapeno?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, chicharrón. Lemon.
This is what you want.
$10.
Anything else?
Icy with basil.
I see with basil.
Asian icy with basil.
Okay. Oh. Let me see. I don't think I have today. Yeah, for so long.
Go tell Uncle Raymond to have.
Yeah, sorry. That's so long.
Who wants nacho?
Jalapenos?
Yeah.
Nacho jalapeno?
Not jalapeno?
What do I have for you?
Hmm?
What do I have for you?
Because I'm going to grab the lemons. Don't put them together yet, just in case. Hey. 5, 4, 5, 4, 5. 8, 8, so. Total's 13, right?
Huh?
Total is 13?
Total is 14.
Okay.
This is 10, right?
Give him
This is
two,
10.
give him 2 5s and a 4. 2 5s and a 4.
There you go.
Okay.
14?
Just count just in case.
No, you give me 15.
15.
Yeah,
Okay.
get the dollar back. Yeah, it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. That's your, all that one. And this one is your. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thanks, bye-bye.
Bye bye. You have a great day.